Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, I just want to share my summary of today, 10 October 2025 at 7:43 p.m. So first of all, I woke up early in the morning, but Allah SWT woke up me many times because I asked Him to wake up me early. For instance, at 1:20 a.m. and so on. And then he accepted my dua, and alhamdulillah I woke up, but I sleep then back and then back and back at 2, at 3, at 4, and so on until it's 5:40 a.m. I go take wudu and pray 1/3 prayer. And firstly go to the mosque to pray subuh berjemaah, and also go to class like usual until 12:50 p.m. and then go Jumaat prayer, and then got some food at Cafe BC, and then snack at there, as you can see, a little bit light at the bazaar bulanan. They often have bazaar, so I need to grab this chance. So it's really worth of buying and worth of trying of those food, and also do some charity. Even though I'm not have a big amount of money, but I still want to do charity because I just only hope Allah SWT only can return my kindness back, inshallah. So that's all. PSPN's upcoming will also have tomorrow exercise and like a seminar for those who doesn't get B1 CPR. Go to the MK, who good in about good CPR, go to DKB. Inshallah I will go to DKB tomorrow, and I will share how smooth my program is. That's all. Noktah.